Good morning, everyone. It's Geraldine from Feline Family. Okay, so a week postponed because Janice got out. Hey, sweetheart. We are at the vet. Well, we're in the car waiting for the vet to open. We're a bit early. Hey, Janice. Hey. I have sprayed. Oh, sorry. I have sprayed Pet Remedy. Brilliant stuff. Good to get. Hey, Janice. Janice does not like being locked up. No, she does not. Hey, Janice. But yeah, today is spay day for Janice. Please help me spay her elder kitten as well. I'm only doing girls right now because I don't have funds for the boys. So I need another 998 rand to spay her older kitten, Janice. So please, please, please donate. You will be saving lives. Hey, Janice. Hey, Janice. I've got 3 other females I need to spay. Please help these kitties. Hey, my lovey. I know. Okay, I'm gonna give you. Janice does not like being locked up. Please donate. Please donate. Please donate. Hey, my love. You never have to do this again. One time. Hey, Janice. Please donate. You will be saving lives. Hey, sweetheart. I'll keep you posted as soon as she's out this afternoon. Hey, my love. Okay. I know. Okay. Janice needs lovies.